Hello everyone, welcome back to ATP Creative Corner. In today's video, I am making a toddler size shorts from an old t-shirt. Before we begin, please hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. Now let's get started. So I am going to take measurements from this ready-made shorts. First I'll measure the length. So I am going to measure from this point just below the elastic part. So the length is 10.5 inches. I'll fold the t-shirt in half like this. I want to retain this bottom hem, so I'll start measuring from the bottom. I'll take 10.5 inches and add 1 inches for the elastic part, so it is 11.5 inches. I'll mark points at 11.5 inches like this. Now I'll draw a straight line along these points. I'll cut the fabric along this line. Next, I'm going to mark points at 1 inches from the top for the elastic part. I'll draw a straight line along these points. Please note that this is the folded end and this is the open end. Next, I'm going to measure the width. The maximum width is measured at the crotch part. Here it is 8 inches. I'll add half inches as seam allowance, so I'm going to take 8.5 inches as width of this fabric. I'll mark points at 8.5 inches like this. I'll draw a straight line along these points and I'll cut the fabric along this line. Next, I'm going to measure the length of the crotch area, that is 6.5 inches, and width is 2 inches. I'll mark point at 6.5 inches like this and width as 2 inches. I'll make a rectangular shape now. I'll make a curved shape at this corner like this. Next, I'll measure the width that is required at the bottom like this. It is 7.5 inches. I'll add half inches to it as seam allowance. So I'm going to take 8 inches here. I'll mark a point at 8 inches. Now I'll draw a straight line joining this point like this. I'll cut the fabric along the marked line. Now the cutting part is over. Next, I'm going to place these two pieces with their right sides facing each other like this. Now I'll give stitches on these two curves. Once done, it will look something like this. Now I'll fold the fabric such that the stitched seam comes at the center like this. Next, I'll give a stitch here. Now it's done. Next is the elastic part. I've taken ½ inch elastic. For the length of the elastic, we need to measure the waist size and subtract 5 inches from it. In my case, it is 21 inches minus 5 inches. So I'm taking 16 inches long elastic. Next, I'll join the ends of the elastic with a stitch. Now it's done. Next, I'm going to divide the elastic into 4 equal parts like this. Next, I'll divide the waist part of the fabric in 4 equal parts like this. Next, I'll place the elastic on the wrong side of the fabric such that their points coincide with each other like this. Now I'll give a stitch on the top part of the elastic by stretching the fabric like this. Similarly, I'll do it for the rest of the fabric. Now it's done. Now I'll turn the fabric right side out like this. Now I'll fold the elastic on the wrong side again like this. Now I'll give a stitch at the bottom of the elastic by stretching the fabric again like this. Now it's done. I've given a zigzag stitch here. And our toddler shorts is ready now. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.